This behavior is incredible. It's not afraid to chew straight through what looks like a full-size tree. With its sharp teeth and strong front paws, it even lifts the trunk like it's nothing. But in reality, that giant tree is just a short section. Now comes the real challenge. Not just knocking the tree down, but cutting it into evenly sized logs. Soon the beaver lines up and get to work. Using their flat tails, they flip and toss the log into a neat pile at the designated spot. Beaver Dad watches the busy crew with pride, but then he notices something. One little beaver is stretched out behind the other, fast asleep. Furious beaver Dad stomped over and waked him up. He assigns the lazy youngster the job of sawing wood. At first, the little beaver pretends to work, but while Dad is busy supervising the others, the lazy one does off again, this time laying right on the top of saw. That's it. Beaver Dad explodes with anger. He grabs the young beaver, drags him over to a tree trunk and smacks him hard with his tail. Hurt and upset, the young beaver feels misunderstood. Instead of trying again, he makes a rush decision. He runs away from home, afraid of getting lost. He drops breadcrumbs along the path as he walks, planning to follow them back later. After wandering around and playing for a while, he decided it's time to go home. But there is a problem. The breadcrumbs are gone, eaten by birds like a free buffet. By the time the little beaver realizes what's happened, it's too late. He's traveled far into the forest and now there is no trail to follow. He is completely lost. Panic, he cries out, "Beaver Dad," again and again, but the forest answers with the silence. Then things get worse. A hungry wolf spots him. The wolf comes with a cruel plan to trick the beaver. He disguises him as a forest ranger station. Relieved to see what looks like help, the little beaver rushes over and explains everything: how he ran away, how the birds ate his breadcrumbs. Now he just wants to go home. The wolf pretends to think for a moment, then say, "I just saw some breadcrumbs on the other side of the forest. That must be yours." Way back, hopeful and grateful, the little beaver runs into the direction of the wolf pointed. Sure enough, he finds breadcrumbs scattered along the ground. He thinks he's finally on the right path, but he doesn't realize those crumbs were placed there on the purpose. It's a trap. The breadcrumbs lead straight to the wolf's den. The moment the little beaver steps inside, the door slams shut behind him. Sensing danger, he tries to escape. He runs toward the window, but the wolf has already blocked it. The little beaver is knocked unconscious. The wolf drags him toward a machine, planning to use his fur for a coat. Everything seems hopeless. But at that critical moment, a patrolling super mouse spots what's happening. Without hesitation, the tiny hero bursts in and confronts the wolf. With a single powerful punch, the mouse sends the wolf flying across the room. Terrified, the wolf scrambles up and runs away into the forest. The little beaver is saved, shaken and ashamed. He finally understands his mistake. Running away didn't solve anything. It put only him in danger. The moment he returns home, he gets back to work without being asked. This time he worked hard and he promised himself he will never be lazy again.